Let's look at this number. It's a 4-digit number. Can you read this number correctly? And can you write it back in words? Sometimes numbers are written using digits and sometimes they are written using words. To read a 4-digit number, first we should break it into place values. So here we see that digit 4 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 3 is in the tens place and 2 is in the ones place. When we read a number, first we start with the thousands place value, then we read the hundreds, then we read the tens and ones together. So we read this number as 4,732. Here is an important rule while reading numbers. We say 4,000 and not 4,000s. We read 700 and not 700s. Whenever a number comes before the words 1000 or 100, we do not add the s. Now here we are given a number that is written in words, 6,245. To write this number in figures, we will fill the place value chart step by step. So here we have 6,000, so the digit in the thousands place will be 6. Next we have 200, so the digit that will go in the hundreds place is 2. Next we have 45, so in the tens place we will have 4 and in the ones place we will have 5. So the number becomes 6245, 6,245. Now let's try to read this number. First we will break it into place values. So we have 8 in the thousands place, 3 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. When a place value has 0, we skip it while reading. So we read this number as 8,306. Now we will try reading another number. Here we have 9040. First we will break it into place values. So we have 9 in the thousands place and 0 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. So you can see we have 2 zeros, one in the hundreds place and one in the ones place. So when we read the number, we will skip the hundreds and the ones place. So we read the number as 9,040. Now let's try another number which is given in words and we will write it in figures. So we will try to fill the place values. We have 4,000. So 4 will go into the thousands place. As you can see, there is no 100. So we will put 0 in the hundreds place value. Then we have 17. 17 means 1 tens and 7 ones. So the number becomes 4017, which is 4017. Even if a place has no value, we still write 0 in that place so that the number is correctly placed. So to summarize, whenever we are reading or writing a number, we start from the thousands value, then keep moving to the hundreds value and then tens and ones. If any place value has 0, then we will skip reading it while reading it in words. And when we are writing a number in figures, we fill the empty place value with a 0. We always write all the 4 places to keep the number correct.